back to my channel. I go by Honest Natural Beauty, and today I'm here with a new product. Yes, your girl purchased a new product. It's the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer, and I must say this was an awesome buy. I purchased it on Amazon. I think it was like $35.99 or $39.99, something around that price range. So here is the brush. This is what it looks like coming out of the box. And so just imagine like a detangle brush slash a blow dryer mixed in two. Like, you can't beat that. Like, you literally can blow dry your hair and detangle at the same time, right? So for me, I don't like wearing my hair in its natural state. And this thing right here allows me to continue to stretch my hair out. Plus, it doesn't burn my hair or give me heat damage or anything else. And this is the settings on there. It has high, low, and cool. I use the cool, and I also use heat protectant still just so that I don't get any heat damage, but I use the cool. It takes a little longer with the cool, but that's fine because I don't mind as long as I don't get heat damage, and you know, it does the job. And I did a pre-recorded video, so I'll just let you guys check that out and you'll see basically how I use the brush. But ultimately, I love this thing. I didn't really do a voiceover. It's kind of self-explanatory. So I'll just go ahead and put the video in, and then you guys can go ahead and take a look how I use the brush. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.